Welcome back. So here's a look outside right now in our Regional West weather camera. We do have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. If you look off to our south, you're seeing some clouds ahead of a storm system out in that direction. But most of us across our viewing area are staying mainly dry. Temperature after reaching the lower 90s today has fallen to 90 in Scottsbluff. Winds east-southeast around 11 miles per hour. That dew point kind of getting up there compared to where we were last week. Dew point of 58, humidity up to 34%. Temperatures look like this right now. 90 at Scottsbluff, close to 90 at Torrington and Bridgeport and Chadron. 86 at Alliance, mid-80s out toward Kimball, Sydney, and at Oshkosh. Here's a look at the winds. Still mainly from a south or even a southeasterly direction with those wind speeds 10 to 20 miles per hour. So let's take a look at the satellite and radar. Most of us staying dry with just mostly sunny skies across the region, but there's one area of thunderstorm activity that we want to look at, and that storm that was just north of Kimball is making a little bit of a right turn, so it is strengthening a little. This one actually does have a history of 30-mile-per-hour winds and very isolated hail, maybe up to penny size, so below severe limits as of now. We'll keep our eyes on that one. There's another storm just off to the north of the Potter area. So these two could be affecting the I-80 corridor as we make our way through the next couple of hours. But that is just how isolated the storms are across the region. Most everybody else has mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. It's that easterly wind going up against the higher elevation that is producing some thunderstorm activity in the upper levels. High pressure to our south in charge of our forecast and giving us that southerly flow. This cold front's going to be our next weather maker, and it will give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days. But going through this evening, most of us staying dry, temperatures falling into the lower 70s, and overnight mainly clear with lows near 60 starting off your day on Tuesday. Now for tomorrow, we will have temperatures into the mid to upper 80s, a little bit more of a northerly wind, so it will be a little cooler than today, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. No real rain chances until early Wednesday morning, especially in the northern and northeastern portion of the viewing area. And then as we make our way through the day on Wednesday, temperatures actually still getting cooler with highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s across the region. So we're going to continue to have those isolated storm chances as the frontal boundary does stretch over us. Still, most of the moisture is going to be to our north. The lows keep tracking up in that direction. High pressure works its way in for midweek. And then we will start to dry out and warm up to finish the 7-day forecast. Now let's take a look at that temperature outlook. This is for the first week of August, and we do have days with highs into the 80s this week. That looks like it's going to be gone for next week. 50 to 70% chance of being above average in temperature. Our average high is around 90 this time of year, so we look to be above that to start August. And back to that dry weather pattern once again, most of us in that 33% chance of being below average in terms of moisture. So hot and dry weather back. So enjoy the next few days. We do have chances for some showers and thunderstorms. They will be hit or miss, though. Mid to upper 80s the next couple of days, low to mid 80s for Thursday and Friday. There's your cool down, but right back up there. 91 on Saturday, mostly sunny skies through Sunday and Monday as temperatures reach the mid to upper 90s. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. It may seem like everything costs more with these days with decade-high inflation, but does that mean deals don't exist? We have more on where to find them.
From